How to start making money online as an affiliate marketer. The field of affiliate marketing is probably the quickest developing way to make money online. After all, billions of ordinary people use internet every day. Affiliate marketing gives you the opportunity to target potential customers regardless of their location in the world. For this reason, it isn't surprising that a huge number of people make a considerable amount of money through affiliate advertising and marketing. Many skilled affiliate marketers end up making more money in this field than they did in their previous job, and hence some of them even resign their normal 9-to-5 job and pursue affiliate marketing full-time. A quick overview on affiliate marketing. Now that we have a little idea about the capacity of affiliate marketing, let's dig in and discuss what it truly includes. The easiest way to describe affiliate marketing is when you help another company sell their products online, and then you get paid a commission for each sale you bring to them. If you are promoting a product priced at $200, and the company pays you 10% commission of the sale, you would make $10 for each sale. However, how do you refer sales? You can begin promoting your seller's products on your website, which receives targeted site visitors in the same niche as the product you are advertising. For example, if you have a website that sells makeup, you would not advertise health insurance, but instead you could promote makeup-related products. Every time one of your website's visitors clicks on your affiliate link which was supplied to you by the seller, you will be paid a commission. How to choose a good affiliate network. One of the largest errors new affiliate marketers make is becoming a member of nearly each affiliate network they encounter. This is without a doubt considered to be a totally incorrect technique. That is due to quite some reasons. Firstly, being an affiliate marketer is an undertaking which calls for a lot of awareness. So, if you try and work with many affiliate networks at the same time, chances are that none of your initiatives might go as planned, and consequently, none of them might end up being very successful. Secondly, focusing on just one or a few products without a doubt will let you research them thoroughly before you start to promote them. This method also helps you refine your strategies, making the required adjustments, and thus making your marketing a whole lot more powerful. An effective approach will yield better outcomes, and reward you for your efforts and time. Thirdly, make sure you do some research on the affiliate network, as there are some networks that will only pay you once a month, which might not work for you, or worse, they could not pay you at all. I am not telling this to discourage you from being an affiliate marketer, but instead I want you to succeed in finding the correct network and products to market and make your commission. There are affiliate networks that resort to shaving, a very common exercise in affiliate marketing, where the networks display a discounted number of sales than what you referred, consequently paying you drastically less in commissions. Hence, to avoid being a victim to this action, I would suggest that you stick to known and trusted affiliate networks. In any case, the only way you will succeed with a network is if you are comfortable with them and the products you are promoting. How to start getting sales as an affiliate marketer. Getting instantly to the point. Some affiliate marketers use social media websites including Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and more, for doing associate marketing. Others decide to build out their own site. Getting your own site is an exceptional approach to affiliate marketing, because it gives you control over everything. So we will focusing on affiliate marketing using your own site moving forward. First matters first, as mentioned earlier, you will want to find an affiliate network you're comfortable with. This includes being knowledgeable about the products you are promoting, so that you don't come to be selling products you don't know anything about. Amazon's Associate Program. That being said, many marketers look at Amazon's Associate Marketing Program as one of the best. It's possibly the most trustworthy network, and has a large inventory of products to promote and get your commissions. This offers you a possibility to promote nearly any product in the market, or pick a niche with low competition, and you could be earning commissions in less than a week. Finding a good keyword. That is considered to be one of the hardest parts of marketing. You simply cannot blindly choose any keyword and expect to start making sales quickly. One of the reasons why many affiliate marketers fail is due to using a wrong keyword. If you are new to the affiliate marketing, you are going to want keywords that have low competition. Start your keyword research by finding long-tail keywords with a low search volume. That means much less money, but not really, with the ones that have large competition. You may test the top 10 and 20 results and do a few studies to discover if you may outrank them. Review keywords being used by the competition to determine if they are using identical key phrases you are looking to target. If they are, and they have a high authority website in that niche, I would recommend that you keep away from that niche, and opt for a brand new, less competitive quality content, this is significant. If you think you will make a lot of money creating items that doesn't help the visitors in any way, you are very wrong. Although your goal is to earn cash by means of referring visitors to the offer, you will have to offer one thing of importance to them. Merely posting your hyperlinks along with lame sales pitches like "this is a wonderful solution, purchase this product via my personal hyperlink and get a discount," and so on, you might be only heading to disaster. If you decide to join Amazon's associate program, you could write an informative article on your homepage and include your primary keywords and some secondary keywords throughout the article. You could have the purchasing guidebook, and write your brief opinion of each product you are marketing. Remember that the greater the cost of the product you market, the greater the commission. Backlinks. We realize it's probably the trickiest method to accomplish, unless you are an SEO guru. Contacting site with high authority and guest posting on these sites is a really well-known means of getting great backlinks. These great backlinks, along with guest posting in related sites in your niche, will get you ranked on the first page of the search engines as long as the keyword you chose has really low competition. However, even when your site doesn't reach page 1, as long as you have guest posted on a number of sites in your niche, you will be bringing substantial amount of targeted traffic coming from these sites. So that it is a great tactic anyway. Mistakes to avoid. Now you are aware of the process to becoming a great affiliate marketer with your own website, I want you to also keep in mind some of the most common errors brand new affiliate marketers make. Not providing any good value. Though we've got covered this item, it's certainly important to remind you, if you try to be extreme with your words to pressure the visitors to click on your affiliate link, it's likely being deemed as junk or spam by many websites. Rather, it's suggested to help these individuals select the right solution determined by their particular wants. This method makes these individuals feel more, which in return will check out the products you are marketing based on the value in your article. Product research. Numerous online marketers will not do proper product research to gain knowledge on the product they are promoting. Instead, they are only worried about the amount of commission they will earn per sale, regardless whether it will provide value to their visitors. This is an oversight, and will at some point lead to your readers not relying on anything you tell them. Tracking your links. When you begin advertising on Amazon or even some other affiliate network, it will be beneficial to track your affiliate links. It can help you find out which website is doing more sales, and then you can make your other websites have the same kind of setup. Final thoughts. I would like to say that despite the fact that affiliate marketing can be very fulfilling, it has a steep learning curve to it. You might face disappointment on numerous occasions prior to making a nice amount of money online. That said, affiliate marketing is suited simply for individuals who are likely to deal with several failures, but will come back with a positive attitude and willing to learn from their mistakes. Still confused? Don't worry, we are from loyalwebsite.com. For affiliate marketing, you need a website in order to promote others' products. To get your website up and running, you'll need to purchase web hosting, which is typically offered by the same companies that provide domain registration. Hosting gives your website a place to live on the internet. It's possible to set up a website yourself, but unless you're a designer or web developer, you can expect a pretty steep learning curve. If you have the budget, consider hiring a professional to help you with some or all of the following: configuring the site to look the way you want and include the features you need, creating and inserting a logo, optimizing the site for search engines, and creating text and images. For more information, read this guide by Founder with a detailed explanation of what it takes to set up website and develop it. Once you've chosen a name and business structure, filed paperwork with the state and set up your website, you're ready to get going with your online business. Remember that the internet is a busy place and you can't sit back and wait for customers to come to you. Look for ways to actively promote your business through online advertising, social media, and old-fashioned word of mouth. Need any help deciding which business structure is right for you? Still confused? Don't worry, we will help you to set up fully finished website. For more detail, contact us on email, contact@loyalwebsite.com. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.